Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from Day Tips, and in this video I'm speaking about email marketing as it pertains to WordPress. So WordPress is a great platform for you to actually start running your business from because it's great in terms of SEO. I've done videos on WordPress for SEO. You can also add plugins as well. So if there's any elements of your website that you want to add or change or make different, chances are there is a WordPress plugin that can help you out. But how do you do email marketing specifically for WordPress? Is it a platform that's good for email marketing? And if so, then where do you go and what do you need to keep in mind? Well, first and foremost, I use WordPress myself for my own website. It's a platform that I highly recommend. It can be a little bit complicated though. So if you're looking for an easier solution, then WordPress might not necessarily be the one for you. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few tips to help you with your email marketing as it pertains to WordPress. This video is kindly sponsored by Hostinger. With Hostinger, you can actually get affordable hosting for your WordPress website. So I've done videos on Hostinger in the past. It can be expensive actually trying to find a hosting account for your WordPress website, which is one of the main reasons why I decided to partner with Hostinger. This is what Hostinger will look like when you go to the website. As you can see, they have hosting plans that start from £1.99. And what you want to do is go down here and click on the Get Started button, and it will show you some of their hosting plans that they have available. They have a single web hosting plan, they have a premium web hosting plan, and they have a business web hosting plan. Now with the premium web hosting plan, you can actually get 100 websites. You can get 25,000 visits monthly. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, and as well as that, you get unlimited bandwidth and so much more. So I recommend choosing whichever plan suits you best and then adding that to your cart. And then on checkout, you want to make sure you go down to where it says have a coupon. Click on that and then type in the coupon code SAMDAY as I've left in the description. Click add and you will see a reduction in your total price. And when you've done that, click on submit secure payment. So this is what the inside of Hostinger will look like. It's very user-friendly and very simple. And you want to go down to where it says hosting, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to install WordPress. If you click manage and go down to dashboard, you should actually see an option to install WordPress. And as soon as you click on that, it will take you through the simple process of installing WordPress on your domain. Since we are talking about email, I thought I would also mention the fact that with Hostinger, depending on what plan you get, you can actually get multiple email accounts. So if you go for the single hosting plan, then you get one email account. If you go for the premium or the business hosting account, then that comes with 100 different professional emails that are attached to your domain name. So you can send emails out with your domain name. So when you're sending emails out to your list, you actually look a little bit more professional, and this can help your open rates and your click-through rates with your email marketing. Now, the very first thing that I want to speak about that I utilize on my website is exit intent pops. So I actually use Opt-in Monster for my exit pop, and what it does is it tries to predict when someone's about to leave your website, and it shows them a pop-up. So rather than them leaving and them not leaving their name and email address, this is one way that you can accumulate leads from people who may have, in theory, just left your website. So Opt-in Monster is one plugin that I recommend and I use for email marketing. I'll leave links in the description down below to Opt-in Monster just in case you want to check that one out. But you can also have a floating bar as well. So this is really good for mobile phone users as well. So if someone, for example, can see that they can opt in whilst they scroll through your website, then the bar is always there. It follows them around, so they are more likely to actually enter their name and email address. And because it's at the top or the bottom of the screen, it doesn't interfere with the usability of the website itself. So it's not an annoyance. It's not going to deter them from entering their name and email address. And I found actually that the exit pop and also the floating bar work really well in terms of gathering leads for email marketing on WordPress. Another way to gather leads through your WordPress website is to build dedicated landing pages. Now, there are expensive softwares out there like ClickFunnels and Lead Pages, and I've done videos on these types of softwares before, and I'll be doing more videos on them. But if you have a WordPress website, it's not 100% necessary for you to have a landing page software. There's definitely benefits, but you can create your own landing pages yourself using WordPress. Just create a dedicated page that you want people to come to opt in. And whatever email marketing software you're using, whether that be Aweber or MailChimp or Constant Contact, whatever you're using, all you need to do is grab the code for your opt-in forms from that platform and enter that code on the page. This allows you to create quick and easy opt-in pages that you can utilize maybe on your social media profiles, or maybe when you're doing paid ads to drive leads back to your WordPress website. If you are planning to use your WordPress website for blogging purposes, then I also recommend having an opt-in form in the sidebar of your blog post. So when someone is reading your blog article, they can actually see the option to subscribe to your blog in the sidebar whilst they read your content. And it's quite easy to do this in WordPress. All you need to do is go down to appearances and then go to widgets, and this will take you to the option where you can actually change your sidebar. So you can actually, for example, have some custom HTML code here if you wanted to, and you can drag this up to where it says sidebar. And you can paste in the code for your opt-in form from your Aweber, MailChimp, Constant Contact, or whatever email marketing platform you're using. You can paste in the code there to your form, so your form will come up in your sidebar. Now, another thing you might want to consider if you are selling e-commerce products on your website is having some sort of abandoned cart email plugin. So if you go to the plugin section of WordPress and you type in abandoned cart, there is a number of different plugins that you can add to your website when someone goes to your site and they abandon their cart. So they go to buy a product, but they don't for whatever reason. That's called abandoned cart. And you can actually send emails to these people to try to get them back to your website to finish their order. So maybe they were in the process of ordering, but they got distracted for some reason, or they changed their mind. You want to be bringing these people back to your website, so hopefully they complete their purchase. So you want to make sure that you have some sort of abandoned cart and they can get notified via email to go and finish what they started on your website. And in addition to this, for you e-commerce sellers, if you're selling on WooCommerce, you want to make sure that you connect your payment gateway to your email marketing provider. So whether that's Stripe, whether that's PayPal, whatever payment gateway you're utilizing on your WordPress website, you want to make sure you connect it to your Aweber or your MailChimp or whatever platform you're utilizing to gather your leads or to manage your email marketing. Because what you want to do is your past customers, you want to retain their names and email addresses so that you can actually contact them later on down the line, send them any promotional offers that you might have, or upsells or cross sells of your product. That's also a great way to increase your email marketing and increase the revenue of your WordPress website. So I do really hope that these email marketing tips helped you out. I have a bunch more videos on email marketing, and I'll leave some of them in the description down below. I'll also leave links to Hostinger, the affordable hosting company, and again, you can get a discount by using my promo code, which will be in the description down below as well. But I really do hope that this video brought you value. I also have the formula, guys, which is the free guide to generating leads and sales for your business online. So if you want even more fantastic marketing tips, make sure you download that. As you can see, there's a copy next to me. I'll leave a link somewhere on this screen and in the description down below. So make sure you go and click that link and get your free copy. But I really do hope that this video brought you value, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.